Hello YouTube! After watching the last few videos, you might think that now you understand how Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies work. But do you know where and how you can use them? This video introduces the top 5 applications of the blockchain. The first use case that almost everybody who has heard of Bitcoin probably knows is payments. Bitcoin was the first blockchain invented. Bitcoin might be seen as many as a store of value, like gold. But Bitcoin was originally invented as a currency. Nowadays, we have thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, which are also used for payment methods. Bitcoin and crypto adoption is not there yet though. Sadly, you cannot Bitcoin most dentists, or pay with Bitcoin in most e-commerce websites. But adoption is growing. Another really good advantage of Bitcoin is the transfer of money to loved ones overseas. Let's say you're living abroad in Europe, and you want to send money to a really good friend of yours in South America. A bank transfer costs a lot of money and can take up days, or even weeks, in some cases months or years. Just kidding, just a couple of days, but that's really bad as well. With Bitcoin, you can do the transfer in a matter of minutes. And if you're scared of the price of Bitcoin changing from one hour to another, you can always use stablecoins. The second use case is the safe storage of official documents, school records, and medical information. Blockchains are basically a decentralized database. We can store everything from IDs and driver licenses to medical information of a person. The reason for doing this is for easy access to this information that cannot be changed or stolen by anybody. Doing that would ensure documents and certificates are not fake, and this information can only be accessed by you with your crypto wallet. This use case will be amazing nowadays, especially with the corona vaccination passport problem. Another use case is the verification of origin of products. Let's say you bought a Gucci bag from Amazon or eBay, and it turns out to be fake. Would you be happy about spending $3,000 or more for a fake bag? I don't think so. Or let's say you care about the environment and human rights, and all you want to know is where your avocado came from. You maybe want to know where it was harvested and how many places did it travel before it got there, and also which companies were involved in the supply chain. All of that can be accomplished with a simple scan of the product with your smartphone. By doing this, you can access all of the information about the origin of the products. Point number 4 might be the most interesting one for some. Are you tired of going to the bank and begging for a loan? Are you tired of waiting months and sending 100 documents or more for loan approval? And are you tired of depositing your hard-earned money in the bank for only 0.5 interest a year with inflation being around 2%? I present to you Defi. Defi is a collection of financial projects that offer bank-like services, but way better, cheaper, faster, and private. There is no KYC, you get high yields with your coins, and nobody is checking your identity. It's like a bank, but in the internet and way better. The last use case might be the most important one, especially after what happened in the 2020 US election. It is clear that the world needs a more transparent and efficient voting system. Nowadays, we are relying on machines and people to physically count millions of votes in a matter of hours. That just doesn't make sense. You can book a flight to Australia or order a tank from Alibaba online. But why can't we also vote using the internet? Because fear of hacking and rigged elections. With the blockchain, that fear just goes away. The technology does not allow for those types of hacks to happen, With blockchain technology, you can be sure that the data entered cannot be changed or erased, and we can get the results really fast. If you want to know how the blockchain technologies accomplish this, click here. What do you think about these use cases? Did we miss any? Comment down below if you want to ask something or contribute with information. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more crypto content. Bye!